The Samsung Galaxy S23 lineup has only been on the market for a short period, but that hasn't prevented the... Specifically, numerous rumors about Samsung's upcoming flagship series have surfaced in recent days. Now we have more information about the Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera system to share. Earlier leaks regarding the Galaxy S24 series camera system suggested that Samsung might introduce some changes, including a variable zoom telephoto and a variable aperture primary sensor. However, recent rumors indicate that the majority of enhancements will likely be focused on the software side. The possibility of the Galaxy S24 Ultra featuring a substantially upgraded camera system may come as a surprise, especially considering the Galaxy S23 Ultra already boasted major camera improvements over its predecessor, the S22 Ultra. If you've been following Samsung's patterns, is it possible that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will break the pattern this year? Renowned leaker Yajish Brar suggests that the Galaxy S24 series Ultra model may indeed experience a significant camera upgrade. However, the majority of these enhancements are expected to come in the form of software improvements. The leaker also mentioned that the test builds for the Galaxy S23 Ultra are showing promising results. This suggests that Samsung may continue using the ISOCELL HP2 sensor found in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. However, according to the tip, Samsung plans to implement software enhancements for the S24 Ultra, enabling it to capture even higher quality photos than its predecessor. If Samsung primarily concentrates on software improvements, it implies that a 1-inch sensor might not be introduced with the Galaxy S24 series. However, this doesn't rule out Samsung working on the telephoto sensor, as previously rumored. We could still witness Samsung transitioning to a variable optical zoom sensor for this series. For the base Galaxy S24 and the Plus models, Samsung may choose to retain the existing GN3 sensor. However, it's expected that Samsung will apply the same software upgrades across the entire series, ensuring that all models benefit from these enhancements. While it may be disappointing for some to learn that Samsung could potentially use the same sensor in the Galaxy S24 series, especially given the previous leak about the camera system, the device's camera performance is unlikely to disappoint. Samsung must remain competitive with the forthcoming Pixel 8 and iPhone 15 lineups, both of which are also rumored to feature impressive camera systems. Additionally, the Xiaomi 13 Ultra has made waves with its exceptional camera sensor and performance, presenting yet another competitor that the Samsung Galaxy S24 series needs to outshine. Therefore, even if the phones utilize last-gen sensors, it doesn't imply that the S24 lineup will deliver subpar performance in comparison to its rivals. If you were eagerly anticipating a 1-inch sensor on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it's worth keeping your hopes alive, as these are still early-stage leaks. Samsung may make adjustments prior to the phone's release, and if any changes occur, information is likely to surface swiftly. Be sure to stay tuned for future updates from us to remain informed on the latest developments.